and some bad news when it comes to speeding related crashes in Michigan. The most recent data shows they're more frequent, but they're not as bad as they used to be. Attorney Brendan Hewitt is here from Michigan Auto Law to talk about the dangers of fast driving. Do we know if faster speed limits on the roads lead to more crashes?
Yeah, this was an interesting decision by the government a few years ago. What we saw is an increase in speed limits on some of these kind of more northern rural expressways. They increased the limits from 70 to 75 miles an hour, which a lot of people like because they think there's not as many cars on the road. But unfortunately, there was a lot more crashes in the 2 years of study after those speed limits went into effect. Total crashes rose by almost 17%. Fatal injury crashes were up by more than a third, more than 30%. So it was just not a great idea from a safety standpoint. And we're seeing some more serious crashes happening.
Do you have some recommendations for drivers then to stay safe?
Yeah. So to drive the speed limit, obviously, first of all, it's the easy one, right? What helps you drive the speed limit is if you're not in a rush, leave somewhere early, right? Don't be late to things. If you are, call ahead and tell people that you're going to be late so that you're not rushing. If you see a car approaching fast from behind, let them go around you. Stay out of that far left lane that is for faster speeds. That's actually state law in Michigan that you should stay in the right lane unless you're going to be passing in the left lane. But other than that, keep a lot of vigilance, especially at intersections. A lot of people don't know that you actually give up your right of way at an intersection if you are speeding. So, if you claim that somebody's running a red light or a stop sign, if you are speeding, you could actually be found at fault for causing that crash. Even though somebody else did something wrong, you give up your right of way if you're speeding.
All right. Well, some terrific advice. Thank you for that, Brandon.